I moved here from Ukraine 12 years ago and instantly fell in love with the Gulf Coast. The water, the sunshine, the people. Hi, I am Tetiana Burke with Real Experts team at Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. This is a truly home for me, and I love to help people find the same feeling of home here too. For me, real estate is not just about transaction. It's about helping others. It's about people, their stories, and helping them with guiding through such an important chapter in their life. I know that buying or selling can be overwhelming. So I focus in on listening, supporting, and keeping the process as positive as possible. What I enjoy the most, it's celebrating with my clients. When they get those keys, or when the seller finds the right buyer, it's not just closing a deal. It's creating a win-win for both and building a relationship that lasts. So if you're looking for a real estate advisor who leads with care, compassion, and positivity, I'd be honored to help you.